Hey y'all, I wanted to do a video on how I press my tea towels. So I use red grid paper, which you can order. I think I ordered it from worldofpaper.com, but Amazon does have it. I use these tea towels. They're flour sack towels. I order these from Amazon. They're Auntie M's Kitchen. They come in a 13 piece. And then you also need parchment paper, and I just use Reynolds. So I have my tea towel placed, and I have my heat press on 375 for 30 seconds. And I press it first to heat it up. I think this is a really important step because it really helps to cure red grid paper into the tea towel. I've forgotten this step before, and it didn't turn out as well. So I have my printout, and I cut this by hand. It's not perfect, doesn't have to be. So I'm gonna lay it down as centered and as even as I can. Let that sit for the full 30 seconds. And I pre-cut my parchment paper just to save a step. And you want to make sure that you use the smooth side, because if you use the rough side, it will leave like a texture on the print. And on this, the smooth side is the side where you can read Reynolds Kitchens. Have that ready. And now you want to peel off the paper. So it's like this. I like to let it cool off a little bit. So you will still have some ink left. Then we have our print, and you probably can't see it in the video, but the reason why we do the next step with the parchment paper is because you can see like a little bit of a clear outline, and the parchment paper really helps to just set that and cure it. So again, I'm laying my parchment paper smooth side down on top. And this time I'm going to press it for maybe about 10 or 15 seconds. And you want to peel the parchment paper hot. Now you can't see the clear outline or the film that the paper left. We have our pretty bee.